This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-ups that come from the site Feeldyepath.live. This is a malicious site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them actually participate in a fake survey. The developers of this site claim that somehow this survey is related to your browser. But this is a fake message. There is no connection between these pop-ups and any decent browser. So don't tolerate these pop-ups. They are totally fake. You should not trust these fake alerts and you should not participate in such fake surveys. I recommend you to carefully leave that page and also to research the system with the help of reliable antivirus software. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your device. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.